Solve. 2 times the quantity x plus 3 raised to the 2/3 power equals 18. When we have any problem like this, where we have some quantity raised to an exponent, we want to simplify or isolate that part of the problem. So to do that, we want to divide everything by 2 so that we have left just x plus 3 raised to the 2/3, and that equals 9. Now at this point, we can raise this entire expression to the reciprocal of this exponent. So just like if we have something to the square root, that is to the 1/2 power, and we raise it to the second power, that's the reciprocal of 1/2. And if we have something squared, we raise it to the 1/2 power, or we square root that. So we'll just raise everything to the reciprocal of 2/3. So that is to the 3/2. And of course we will do that on both sides. And on the left-hand side, when you have an expression like this raised to an exponent, and then you raise that expression to an exponent, you multiply these exponents, and that's why that exponent just turns to 1. So we can just write x plus 3. Now what this equals is 9 to the 3/2. And I'm going to put this over here. 9 to the 3/2. Well, that's the same as saying that's the same as saying 9 to the 1/2 raised to the 3 power, to the power of 3. 9 to the 1/2 is really just the square root of 9. So the square root of 9 is 3. And then raised to the 3rd power is 27. So what we have, this 9 to the 3/2 is 27. And I like to break it down like that. Of course, if you're dealing with decimals or something, you can just plug in 9 to the power of and then use your parentheses 3/2. But if you're doing it without a calculator, it's nice to break it down like this. Now we'll just subtract 3 from each side, and in the end we have x equals 24. So that is an example of solving a problem with rational exponents.